In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Wix website editor to customize your website and make it stand out. Wix is a powerful platform that allows you to create professional looking websites with ease, even if you don't have an extensive background in web design. Let's dive in and guide you through the basic steps to fine-tune your site layout and text features using the Wix editor. To get started, we need to open the Wix website editor. Head over to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you've logged in, locate the My Site section or the specific site you want to edit. Clicking on it will automatically launch the website editor interface where all the magic happens. This interface provides you with the flexibility to personalize your website as you see fit. Now that you're inside, take a look at the side panel. Here you'll see options like add elements or various text fields that make up your site's content. Click either option depending on whether you want to add new elements to your page or modify existing text. For this tutorial, let's focus on how to work with text, as it's a fundamental aspect of any website design. If you choose Add Elements, you're presented with a range of options. Today, let's focus specifically on text. You'll have a variety of text styles to choose from, such as headings, subheadings, and body text. This allows you to maintain consistent formatting throughout your site while creating distinct visual hierarchies that improve your site's readability. Once you've selected the type of text you'd like to work with, let's move on to editing. Click on Edit Text, and you'll notice an editing menu pop up, providing several customization options. Here, you can change the font, size, color, and other stylistic choices to match your brand's aesthetic. A great tip is to stick with a couple of cohesive fonts that contribute to an overall clean and professional look. Another essential step involves adjusting character and line spacing, which plays a crucial role in how readable your text appears to visitors. To do this, click on Character and Line Spacing. An adjustment tray will appear where you can precisely dial in these attributes to ensure your text is neither too cluttered nor too spread out. This customization can make a significant difference in your visitors' reading experience by enhancing text clarity. Finally, if you're struggling with line breaks looking odd or inconsistent, you can fix these issues with a simple toggle. Move the small circle in the line spacing editor to achieve the perfect spacing for your text blocks. This simple adjustment can make your website look much cleaner and more professional without much hassle. And there we have it. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Wix site is both visually appealing and user-friendly. Take your time to explore and experiment with different styles and settings within the Wix editor. With practice, you'll be able to create a website that truly reflects your vision and stands out to your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.